40 conversational Filipino phrases for speaking practice. Babawi ako sa'yo. I'll make it up to you. Babawi ako sa'yo. I'll make it up to you. Ako naman ang magbabayad sa susunod na round. The next round is on me. Ako naman ang magbabayad sa susunod na round. The next round is on me. Kumaliwa ka sa susunod na traffic light. Turn left at the next traffic light. Kumaliwa ka sa susunod na traffic light. Turn left at the next traffic light. Hindi gumana nung isinaksak ko ang charger. It didn't work when I plugged in the charger. Hindi gumana nung isinaksak ko ang charger. It didn't work when I plugged in the charger. Sabihin mo sa akin kapag may kailangan ka. Let me know if you need anything. Sabihin mo sa akin kapag may kailangan ka. Let me know if you need anything. Mas gugustuhin kong kumain ng sushi kaysa burger. I'd rather eat sushi than a burger. Mas gugustuhin kong kumain ng sushi kaysa burger. I'd rather eat sushi than a burger. Ayokong pumasok sa trabaho ngayon. I don't want to go to work today. Ayokong pumasok sa trabaho ngayon. I don't want to go to work today. Magkano ang palitan sa bangko? What's the exchange rate at the bank? Magkano ang palitan sa bangko? What's the exchange rate at the bank? Masyadong mahina yung Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection is too weak. Masyadong mahina yung Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection is too weak. Kailan mo siya huling nakausap? When was the last time you talked to him? Kailan mo siya huling nakausap? When was the last time you talked to him? Aasikasuhin ko agad yan. I'll take care of it right away. Aasikasuhin ko agad yan. I'll take care of it right away. Huwag mo akong kalimutang tawagan. Don't forget to call me. Huwag mo akong kalimutang tawagan. Don't forget to call me. Iniligpit mo na ba ang higaan mo? Have you already made your bed? Iniligpit mo na ba ang higaan mo? Have you already made your bed? Pwede ba akong magpapalit ng pera ng walang passport? Can I exchange money without my passport? Pwede ba akong magpapalit ng pera ng walang passport? Can I exchange money without my passport? Medyo kinakabahan ako sa presentation bukas. I'm a little nervous about the presentation tomorrow. Medyo kinakabahan ako sa presentation bukas. I'm a little nervous about the presentation tomorrow. Lalabas tayo kapag tumila na ang ulan. We will go out when the rain stops. Lalabas tayo kapag tumila na ang ulan. We will go out when the rain stops. Kailan mo binili yan? When did you buy that? Kailan mo binili yan? When did you buy that? Ilang tasang kape ang iniinom mo kada araw? How many cups of coffee do you drink in a day? Ilang tasang kape ang iniinom mo kada araw? How many cups of coffee do you drink in a day? Hindi ko masya noong isinukat ko yung bagong damit. It didn't fit properly when I tried on the new dress. Hindi ko masya nung isinukat ko yung bagong damit. It didn't fit properly when I tried on the new dress. Wala akong pakialam sa tsismis tungkol sa mga artista. I don't care about celebrity gossip. Wala akong pakialam sa tsismis tungkol sa mga artista. I don't care about celebrity gossip. Ang tagal na noong huli tayong nagkita. It's been a while since we last met. Ang tagal na noong huli tayong nagkita. It's been a while since we last met. Ano pa ang hinihintay mo? What are you waiting for? Ano pa ang hinihintay mo? What are you waiting for? Bakit hindi mo ibinalik yung hiniram mong payong? Why didn't you return the umbrella that you borrowed? Bakit hindi mo ibinalik yung hiniram mong payong? Why didn't you return the umbrella that you borrowed? Huwag kang tumawa. Don't laugh. Huwag kang tumawa. Don't laugh. Ingat ka sa pagmamaneho. Drive safely. Ingat ka sa pagmamaneho. Drive safely. Baka allergic siya sa mani. She might be allergic to peanuts. Baka allergic siya sa mani. She might be allergic to peanuts. May tiwala pa rin ako sa kanya. I still have faith in him. May tiwala pa rin ako sa kanya. I still have faith in him. Dumiretso ka hanggang sa makita mo yung tuktok ng katedral. Go straight until you see the cathedral spire. Dumiretso ka hanggang sa makita mo yung tuktok ng katedral. Go straight until you see the cathedral spire. Natapos na nila ang project. They already completed the project. Natapos na nila ang project. They already completed the project. Magbubus ako papasok sa trabaho bukas. I will take the bus to work tomorrow. Magbubus ako papasok sa trabaho bukas. I will take the bus to work tomorrow. Mahilig siyang sumayaw. She loves to dance. Mahilig siyang sumayaw. She loves to dance. Nasaktan siya ng gusto nang malaman niya ang totoo. She was deeply hurt when she discovered the truth. Nasaktan siya ng gusto nang malaman niya ang totoo. She was deeply hurt when she discovered the truth. Natatakot akong magmaneho sa gabi. I'm afraid of driving at night. Natatakot akong magmaneho sa gabi. I'm afraid of driving at night. Medyo nag-aalangan akong sumubok ng mga bagong bagay. I'm a little bit hesitant to try new things. Medyo nag-aalangan akong sumubok ng mga bagong bagay. I'm a little bit hesitant to try new things. Hindi ko siya hinahanap. I'm not looking for her. Hindi ko siya hinahanap. I'm not looking for her. Nilitratuhan ko yung paglubog ng araw. I took a picture of the sunset. Nilitratuhan ko yung paglubog ng araw. I took a picture of the sunset. Masyadong malabo ang litrato. The picture is too blurry. Masyadong malabo ang litrato. The picture is too blurry. Huwag mong buksan lahat ng ilaw. Don't turn on all the lights. Huwag mong buksan lahat ng ilaw. Don't turn on all the lights. Kunin mo kay Alice. Get it from Alice. Kunin mo kay Alice. Get it from Alice. Pwede mo bang ipaliwanag sa mas simpleng salita? Meaning, can you explain it in simpler terms? Pwede mo bang ipaliwanag sa mas simpleng salita? Can you explain it in simpler terms?